dee dee. Whoop dee dee. Yodel dee dee. The cattle are crawling, the coyotes are howling, way out where the doggies bawl. Where spurs are a-jingling, a cowboy is singing this lonesome cattle call. Whoop dee dee, whoop dee dee, whoop dee dee, oh dee dee. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall. Whoop dee dee, singing his cattle call. For hours he would ride on the range far and wide, when the night wind blow up a squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather. He sings his cattle call. Whoop dee dee, whoop dee dee, whoop dee dee, yodel dee dee. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Whoop dee dee, singing his cattle call. Whoop dee dee, whoop dee dee, whoop dee dee, yodel